If you've been hanging your artwork halfway up the wall, you need to stop. You're actually shrinking your space by doing this. In order to make your small space feel larger and better, utilize these 5 decorating hacks to create a comfortable and stylish home. Incorporate a large area rug. Choosing a large area rug, especially one with a bold pattern, creates the trick that the room is bigger. This can also help to anchor a space and gives you a good staple piece to design the rest of the room around. Speaking of rugs, if you live in a studio apartment, try separating different zones with area rugs. This really helps to make it feel like there's multiple rooms in one. Display artwork strategically. Bring your artwork up the wall to trick the eye and expand or accentuate the height of the room. You also want to strategize with mirrors. This room has a mirror here, and right here. Yes, I agree. Mirroring all your walls to bounce light is excessive. Consider hanging a few separate wall-spanning mirrors and then painting the frame so that they're all cohesive. It's like optical illusion artwork. And finally, think outside the box. Your space is eclectically shaped like this one. Thinking out of the box is essential. 2 small stools were used as a coffee table, and that's just brilliant. You get storage, you get additional seating when guests come over, and they fit perfectly in the space. It's Leanne Ford for you. Having a smaller space doesn't have to be so limiting, and working within your restrictions can actually be a lot of fun.